Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add link to another page in Wix. So let's go to Wix first. In this site, you have to click. I'm gonna make this local travel blog, this text, editing this text, and link to another page with this text. So just all you have to just select this text first, then then you have to find here this link option. You can see a link, right? You can make this text bold, italic you want, and you can change the text color over here. But if you want to link, you can click on this link option to link with another page. Now choose page. Okay, if you find this web address or anything, you have to click on choose page, and then you have to click on which page. Click on this drop down menu and you can choose to any page. Choose your page home you want to open this URL, this text. So I'm clicking on drop down. Now click on new window or current window. How does it open? When someone click on this website, what gonna happen? It will open in a new window or current window. I'm choosing current window. Now click on done. Now that's done. Now click on preview. I'm showing you. So hold on. Now if I click on this page name or this link, it will open the drop down menu. So I'm doing this. Click on this and you can see the drop down menu has been opened. Okay, so in drop down I don't have anything, so you cannot see anything, but this is my drop down menu. So guys, this is how you can link another page to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.